In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist for getting things done, also known as the GTD method, to help you stay organized and boost your productivity. Let's dive in and explore the 5 essential steps that will transform the way you handle your tasks using Todoist. First up, the capture phase. The goal here is simple: get everything out of your head and into Todoist. To do this, once you log into Todoist, start using the inbox as your default capture location. You can swiftly add tasks by hitting Add Task on the app, or even using voice commands if that's more convenient. At this stage, don't get bogged down with sorting, just focus on capturing everything that comes to mind, whether it's work related or personal. Once you've captured your tasks, it's time to move to the Clarify step. This is where you decide what each task actually means. Regularly browse through your inbox and ask yourself a few key questions. Is this task actionable? If the answer is yes, then define the next action. If it's a no, decide whether to delete it, archive it, or flag it for your someday list. If a task takes 2 minutes or less, go ahead and do it right away. When a task can be better handled by someone else, take advantage of Todoist's collaboration feature and delegate it. Next is the organize phase. Here you'll categorize your tasks by context, priority, and deadline. Begin by creating projects that mirror different areas of your life. Think categories like work, family, or personal development. Add contextual tags using labels like @call, @d, @email, or @errands to further organize your tasks. Use priority levels ranging from P1, which is urgent, to P4, which is low, to help indicate the importance of each task. For deadlines, leverage Todoist's natural language recognition to set due dates, simply by typing next Monday or in 3 days. If you have recurring tasks, set them with phrases like every Monday or every first of the month. Then we come to the reflect step. This involves regularly reviewing your system to keep everything in line with your overall goals. Perform a weekly review where you clear out your inbox and make any necessary adjustments to your projects, priorities, and labels, keeping your system efficient and relevant. Finally, engage is our last step. Here, the focus is on what truly matters. Kickstart your day by looking through the today and upcoming views to see what needs attention. Use filters like today and at work to see tasks due today within your work-related projects, or P1 and at email to highlight high-priority emails that need sending. Choose tasks depending on your current energy levels and priorities to maintain productivity throughout your day. By adopting these 5 steps into your routine, you'll find that the Getting Things Done method via Todoist helps you capture, clarify, organize, reflect, and engage with your tasks more effectively, all while keeping your stress levels at bay. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.